Price tag. It means price label. For example, how do you check the cost before buying? I look at the price tag. E-receipt. It means digital payment receipt. For example, did you receive the e-receipt? Yes, I received it on my phone. Shopping spree. It means buying many items. For example, when do people go on a shopping spree? During sales or festivals. Shopping list. It means items to buy. For example, how do you remember what to buy? I make a shopping list. Barcode. It means product code. For example, how does the cashier scan items? They scan the barcode. Price drop. It means reduced price. For example, why is the phone cheaper today? There is a price drop. Vendor. It means seller. For example, who sell fruits on the street? The vendor. Trade in. It means exchange old for new. For example, can I give my old phone for a new one? Yes, with a trade in. E-commerce. It means online shopping. For example, where can I buy clothes without going to a store? Through e-commerce. Promo code. It means discount code. For example, how can I save money online? You can save money online by entering a promo code. Delivery fee. It means shipping charge. For example, why do I pay extra for online order? It's the delivery fee. Retailer. It means seller. For example, who sells products directly to customers? The retailer. Promo offer. It means discount deal. For example, how did you get this bag for 20% off? I used a promo offer. Return desk. It means refund counter. For example, where do you go to return an item? At the return desk. Receipt. It means proof of payment. For example, what do you keep after buying clothes? I keep the receipt. Refund policy. It means written rules. For example, can I return this? It is defective. Check the refund policy. In stock. It means available now. For example, can I buy this phone today? Yes, it is in stock. Out of stock. It means not available. For example, why can't I find this toy? It is out of stock. Discount. It means reduced price. For example, why is this shirt cheaper than yesterday? It has a discount. Sale. It means special price period. For example, why are the clothes so cheap today? They are on sale. Basket. It means a cart which hold items. For example, where do you put items while shopping? I put them in the cart. Exchange. It means to change item. For example, what can you do if the size is not right? I can exchange it for another size. Shop around. It means to compare prices. For example, why are you visiting different shops? I'm shopping around to find the best price. Shop assistant. It means store helper. For example, who should you ask for help for finding an item? A shop assistant. Loyalty card. It means discount membership card. For example, how can I get points while shopping? Use a loyalty card. Credit card. It means bank payment card. For example, how did you pay for the clothes? I used a credit card. Cash. It means a physical money. For example, how did you pay at the market? I paid in cash. Online shopping. It means shopping via internet. For example, how did you buy this shirt? I did online shopping. Delivery. It means item brought to you. For example, when will the product arrive? Delivery will be tomorrow. Keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you for watching.